Good day everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I will be talking about facial cleansing oil. So a cleansing oil is used as a pre-cleanse on a two-step cleansing regimen. The way to use the oil is to put it on your dry skin, massage it in, and then apply a few drops of water and to help emulsify the oil, and then rinse it with water, and that would be it. And you follow that with your normal cleanser or face wash. I do use makeup regularly, and so I like to use a pre-cleanse cleansing oil. And today I am sharing six brands, and hence I do have 6 empty products. One is indeed a holy grail. As usual, I will talk about the brands in the order at which I would recommend it. So first brand is probably the most known one, which is from Shue Uemura, and this is what the packaging looks like. This is a limited edition a few years back. It says Mica for Shue. In fact, it's so pretty that I'm now using it as a hand soap dispenser. And even the box that it came from is so beautiful. So this is the Shue Uemura Skin Purifier Anti/Oxy Skin Refining Anti-Dullness Cleansing Oil. You would know that Shue Uemura is one of the best cleansing oils, but they are very expensive. I don't buy them now. If I have money to burn, I'll definitely keep purchasing Shue Uemura. Suitable for all skin types, including sensitive skin, ophthalmologically and dermatologically tested for safety. Allergy tested, non-comedogenic, right? So it won't clog your pores. Hands down, it will be the best cleansing oil that I have used, and that's why the only brand that I purchased is big bottle, which is in 450 ml. Highly recommend. The next brand is an Australian brand, and it's from Innoxa. One of my favorite Australian brands. It's called the Restore Hydrating Facial Cleansing Oil in 150 ml. This here helps to reduce skin moisture, a selection of nourishing oils, vitamins, and antioxidants to help prevent the visible signs of premature aging. Dermatologically tested for all skin types. Fused with a selection of oils including argan oil, jojoba oil, grapeseed oil, soybean oil, camellia oil, and rosehip oil, to leave skin cleansed, hydrated, and nourished. This anti-aging formulation has vitamins and antioxidants to help prevent the visible signs of premature aging and promote even skin tone. So let me just quickly smell. Yeah, I love this. It's got that botanical spa-like scent to it. I love it. All I can say is this cleansing oil works. The Shue Uemura is really expensive, and Innoxa is affordable. In fact, I love this more, Innoxa more than the Shue Uemura, and for the price and value, I would go for the Innoxa. Say that this has now become my holy grail, and perhaps the only cleansing oil that I will be buying. The next 4 brands are all in deluxe sizes. They are also all very good. Third brand is from Dermalogica, and this is called the Precleanse. So this is the packaging, and in 30 ml. I also like Dermalogica. They are a great skincare brand. I think I have this because I've been buying sets as well to try out the other skincare, the moisturizers, but as a pre-cleanse, it's also a great pre-cleanse. I'd highly recommend this as well. And then the next brand is from Josie Maran. So this is the Josie Maran Argan Cleansing Oil. Nourishing Argan Oil Daily Cleanser for all skin types. Compared to the Innoxa, this one's just got one oil. So that's what the packaging looks like. I had to empty it out because I recycle my containers, especially the smaller versions, because this is in 55 ml and I use it when I travel. And Josie Maran is also a great brand. Would also recommend you try the cleansing oil. They all work really well. Great brand. Okay, the next brand is from Boscia, and it's the MakeUp-BreakUp Cool Cleansing Oil. It got the pump dispenser and 50 ml. An extremely gentle way to deep cleanse. This refreshing cleansing oil Dissolves impurities and makeup while decongesting pores without leaving an oily residue. When I used it, it was okay. I wasn't wowed by it because I really liked the Shue Uemura at the time. So all these deluxe samples I've used after the Uemura, I've only discovered Innoxa when I started to focus more on Australian brand. If it's available in your country or where you are, then try it. But otherwise, I don't think I would recommend this. I wasn't wowed by it. Alright, and this brand is from Nude. It's the perfect cleansing oil face and eyes. That's what the packaging looks like. It's made in France. Yeah, I know it's just 15. I mean, this package, this only is 15 ml, but I wasn't really impressed by this. Or I use it because it's probably part of a set again. It's not too impressive. I can't really say much about this, but it's not something that I will recommend. And I don't know, I just didn't have a good experience with this one. So I've got like a few misses here. Other four I'd recommend, the last two I wouldn't. I will have to reiterate that if you got more money to burn, Shue Uemura. If you're on a budget and you really want something that with good quality, go for the Innoxa. This one is probably the best. Yeah, and that's it. Thank you all for watching. See you again next time. Cheers. Bye bye.